Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to create an event in a WhatsApp group. All right, so let's begin. So the first thing that you want to do is open up the WhatsApp app on your mobile device and make sure it is updated to the latest version available. After that, find and open the group chat where you want to create the event. Over here at the bottom of the chat, you will see the message input box. On the right side of it, tap on the paperclip icon. Then you will see several options appear. Over here, tap on the event option. After that, you will be redirected to a new page where you can create the event. Over here, add your event name at the top and then write all the event details in the description section. After that, tap on the calendar date to select the event day and press OK. Then, on the right side of the date, tap on the time to set the hours and minutes and press OK once you are done. Over here, you can also add the location of the event if required. After that, if you want to host the event online, you can enable the WhatsApp call link and choose either a voice call or a video call. Then, tap on the send button to share the event in the group chat. Over here, all the group members will be able to see the event details and respond to it. So that's basically how you can create an event in a WhatsApp group. And that's it for this video. If you found this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.